Good morning to everybody. Welcome to online classes. Today in this recording I will explain from page number 19 and 20 of the story A Bottle of Dew from Unit 3 of English Literature Reader. Before starting explanation today, I will refer some sentences as a reference and continuation. Ramanatha went home and after talking to his wife started clearing his large fields which had been lying empty all these years. There he planted rows and rows of banana plants. He tended them carefully and during the winter months collected the dew that formed on them with great care. His wife helped him to Madhumati gathered the banana crop, took it to the market and got a good price for it. Over the years, Ramanatha planted more and more banana plants and they had a huge banana plantation. After 6 years, he finally had his 5 liters of dew. Carefully, he took the bottle to the sage. The sage smiled and muttered a mantra over the water. Then he returned the bottle and said, "Try it out." Now we start today's explanation from the book. Ramanatha sprinkled a few drops on a copper vessel and waited for it to turn to gold. To his dismay, nothing happened. Explanation 1. After getting back the 5 liters of dew bottle in which Sage Mahipati murmured a mantra, Ramanatha scattered a few drops of dew on a copper tub and he waited for it to turn to gold. But it was short. There was no change on copper tub. Explanation 2. Mahipati mumbled a mantra over the 5 liters dew bottle and after Ramanatha getting the bottle, he sprayed few drops of dew on a copper can and waited for a moment, but the copper can did not change into gold. Ramanatha surprised, there was no change of copper can. That means it was not turned into gold. Explanation 3. Mahipati handed over the 5 liters of dew bottle to Ramanatha after murmuring a mantra over it. Then Ramanatha swallowed a few drops of dew on a copper container and he waited for a few moments, but the copper container remained unchanged. Ramanatha was upset. Now from book. "This is cheating," he told the sage. "I have wasted 6 precious years of my life." Explanation 1. Magic potion of Mahipati was not fruitful. There was no change of copper vessel into gold. So Ramanatha yielded the sage that was defrauding, and further he added that he had misused 6 valuable years of his life. Explanation 2. Magic mixture of Mahipati was useless. It is as per the observation of Ramanatha. Copper tub was not turned into gold, so Ramanatha shouted at the sage and told him that was deceiving and he had emaciated his 6 costly years of his life. Explanation 3. Mahipati's process was not able to change the copper bowl into gold. So Ramanatha cried and told the sage that was dishonesty and he had dissipated 6 expensive years of his life. Now from book. But sage Mahipati only smiled and called Madhumati to come forward. Explanation 1. But sage Mahipati only grinned and called Madhumati to produce onwards. Next, explanation 2. But sage Mahipati only laughed at Ramanatha. Then Mahipati called Madhumati to ahead further. Explanation 3. But sage Mahipati only beamed at Ramanatha. After that, Mahipati called Madhumati to move forward. Now from book. She came with a big box. When she opened it, stacks of gold coins. Explanation 1. Madhumati appeared with a large box in front of Mahipati and Ramanatha. As per advice of Mahipati, Madhumati opened the box. There was sparkle heap of gold coins inside the box. Explanation 2. Madhumati attended there with a huge box in front of Mahipati and Ramanatha. As per instruction of Mahipati, Madhumati opened the box and everybody found sparkle pile of gold coins inside the box. Explanation 3. Mahipati asked Madhumati to calm down with the great box. So Madhumati arrived there along with box. Then she opened the box. Ramanatha surprised. There were glittered huge store of gold coins inside the box. Now from book. Now the sage turned to astonished Ramanatha and said, there was no magic potion that can turn things into gold. Now the sage Mahipati moved towards Ramanatha. Ramanatha, surprised about the full box of sparkle gold coins which was under the custody of his wife Madhumati. Later, Mahipati told Ramanatha that there was no magic potion that could change the things into gold. Explanation 2. Now the sage Mahipati revolved to Ramanatha. Ramanatha wondered when he watched the sparkle heap of gold coins in the box, in the big box, you can say big box, which was keeping by his wife Madhumati. Later Mahipati expressed that there was no magical culture that could turn anything into gold? Explanation 3. Now the sage Mahipati rounded to Ramanatha. Ramanatha, amazed when he saw the sparkle store of gold coins in the big box which was kept by his wife Madhupati. After that, sage Mahipati confirmed that there was no magic mixture that could convert anything into gold. That is the end of first lecture.